You've most likely used ChatGPT and other tools that leverage AI for language learning. So to make your life easier and your language journey as immersive as possible, we brought ChatGPT to LangMagic. So you don't have to copy and switch between browser tabs in order just to get answers from ChatGPT. Instead, your selected text will be sent directly to ChatGPT and an output will be displayed on LangMagic so you can read it and use it to create annotations. To do that, we use ChatGPT prompt buttons that you can find over here. By default, you have buttons Explain and Usage. However, there's a whole library of prompts for every language learning case, for every question you might have. It's like having a teacher on standby 24/7. Try different prompts and start the ones you like. They'll be pinned to your prompt button list so you can access them quicker. At LangMagic, we do not hide the magic behind ChatGPT prompts. Therefore, you can create your own prompts and even share them with others. The best way to start is to try to modify existing prompts. Let's try to modify the usage prompt. Select it and then press Prompt to open the prompt editing interface. At the top, you can edit the name in the button name section. Then we move on to the actual prompt. Here we can see that two variables are being used. Both of them will be replaced with actual values when you click to execute the prompt. Target language, which is from your playlist, in our case is French, and phrase, the selected text. You can actually reselect it by clicking on Reselect Phrase and highlighting the desired part. You can also access variables like context, which is the text that surrounds the phrase. By default, when you make a selection of the text, the context is selected as a subtitle frame. This can be an arbitrary selection of text and not even coincide with sentences. To adjust it, click on Modify Context. Also, you can add another variable, native language, by simply clicking on it. So for now, let's just replace 5 for 10 and see the output. For that, click Test My Prompt on the right. Great! Now we have 10 examples. When you've explored and modified a few prompts, why not create your own? It's as easy as this. Just click on the green plus button. At the top, you can drop down a name that will help you remember the function of this prompt. Currently, the prompts take into account your pre-selected text, which you can easily change by either clicking on the Reselect Phrase or Modify Context. Once you're certain with your phrase and context, you can start writing your prompt in the prompt section. You can choose variables to add to the prompt by just clicking on them. Before saving your prompt, test it to check its functionality. If everything works, you can write down an additional explanation of the prompt in the description section. And once everything is done, just click Save and start it to be added to your main menu. Now, with a full library of prompts, you can create detailed and comprehensible annotations for yourself or to share with students or friends. Make sure to watch the rest of our tutorials to find out how.